This is a 2023 Hyundai Elantra, and it has a kind of abnormal RPM. The RPM is kind of going up and down on the stops. It is although a hybrid, but still. I think there's no check engine light or no codes on it. So I believe that the problem is the dirty throttle body. So today I'm going to clean the throttle body, and I will show you guys how to do it. Okay, first we're gonna locate the throttle body. So this is our engine air filter, and the throttle body is right here. Let's remove the air filter cover. One right here. Let me see. Okay, this one. The air filter is out. It is a 10 millimeter as well. This is a 10 millimeter here, or a cross screw. I think this one is good. It's pretty loose, and I have to find a way to loosen this one. All right, let me take this one off too. It may make it a little bit easier. Bring it up, I thought. No. See, sometimes it's in a very tight spot. We can take this off now. That is good. I'll make sure we clean it before putting that up, so all the dirt doesn't go inside the engine. Now we gotta find a way to do this one. Let me see. Oh, this is actually very loose. I can do it by hand. So when the throttle body is dirty, sometimes it even stalls at the stops, and the RPM is irregular, going up and down by itself. The engine is shaking, so all those problems are the sign for a dirty throttle body. Let's see. Come on out. Come on. Yes. That one is out. Okay. We got it out. And now you can see inside the throttle body this thing right here, and that is dirty. So let me clean that out, and for that I will use a carbon cleaner. There is another spray called throttle body cleaner, but I'm not gonna spray this inside it. I'll just put it on a piece of rag and then clean that over there, so it shouldn't be a problem, hopefully. But if you clean it yourself, I suggest that you use the throttle body cleaner. Okay, now I'm going to spray some of this carbon cleaner on the rag, and we're gonna start cleaning it. Be careful, sometimes it can pinch your finger. So with one finger I keep this open. With another one I'll just clean it like this. Make sure you clean this area and also the upper one over there. Now you can see how dirty this was. Let me change hands. So one finger, you keep that because it is spring loaded. It can pinch your finger if you're not careful. Okay, that's good. It was dirty, but not very bad. Let me spray a little more. Good. Clean everything. There's a carbon here around it and outside. Yeah, still there are some more. Okay, I did clean the throttle body. Let me put this back together. Let me spray some of this so it doesn't go inside the engine. Clean it. All right, let me dry it up. Make sure you clean everything, because this dust can be very harmful to the engine valves. All right. Okay, push this one first. Okay, there's the gun in place. Now it's time for this one. It's kind of hard. You need some force to do it. Okay, I think both of them are in place. So we're just gonna tighten the screws now. I can push this a little bit forward. I know my gloves are jacked up. And then we're good to go. We're gonna turn it on and see what happens. I'm starting the car after cleaning the throttle body for the first time. Let's see how it behaves. Yeah, you can see because it turns off because it's a hybrid, and I see that the RPM is pretty normal. All right, that's it. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.